Welcome, welcome. Ever wonder who's clicking your links? With SwiftFox, you can track exactly that. Who clicked what and how many times. It's like detective work, but without the trench coat. Let's jump in and see exactly how that's done. To get started, we're going to jump into the design step of my latest email campaign. Now, there are several ways you can insert links. Firstly, highlight your selected text, head to the toolbar and select the link icon. Enter the URL of the link you wish to set and select Set Link. You can also add a link to your email with a button. To do this, drag a button block onto the canvas, select the button, and then enter your URL into the button URL link field. Once you have finalized and sent your campaign, you can head back into your campaign. Here, you will see the campaign overview page. You will find the links tab above the recipients table. Selecting this tab will show you all the links in your email and how many times they were clicked. If you want to see which contact visited your links, then just select the link URL in the table and you will find a list of everyone who clicked that link in the drawer. To see exactly when they clicked on your link and how many times, visit the Posts section on their profile. And that's a wrap. See how easy link tracking is in SwiftFox? Now you've got the inside scoop on who's clicking what and when. Use those insights to power up your campaigns. Thanks for hanging out. Happy emailing, and may your links be irresistible.